Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, collectives. Okay, so check natin. Okay, energies na papasok. Okay, hanggang end ng January 2026. Okay, so ano pa ang hahabol? Ano pa ang meron? Pero syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms and iba pa natin items. So, yes, nag-cleanse tayo. Yeah, 'di ba? So, may ganito. So, smudging ang tawag dyan. Pag-cleanse ng energy. Okay. So, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga charms and crystals, sa ating charms and items, so, yeah, mag-message na lang po. No, again, sa mga bago dyan, so, ito yung ating cord cutting. Okay, so, cord cutting, ito po yung ating pagtatanggal ng mga nakakapit sa inyong energy na nagsisilbing MALAS or nagbibigay ng alat sa inyo na nagkokos ng delay, nagkokos ng negative energy sa inyo. Ha? Okay, gets? So, tatanggalin natin anything, okay, everything na nagkokos ng delay, kaya hindi napasok yung blessings, kaya hindi napasok yung mga opportunities. Yan. Okay? So, doon papasok yan kay cord cut. Yes, and magsisilbing blockage naman si cord cutting pagdating po sa mga pwede pang gumawa ng masama or sa mga negative na pwede pang pumasok. Okay? And yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, for love and money ito with raw citrine stone na nakapaligid dyan. Okay. So, citrine stones po, sabihin natin yes, a magnet. Okay. Pagdating sa pamemera. And tinatawag na the merchant stone. Okay. So, yun po si citrine. So, pwede yan sa love. Pwede yan sa money. So, if you're a boy, if you're a man, pwede yan sa'yo, lagay mo lang sa red pouch, okay? Nothing to worry. And syempre, yung granter naman, so si granter dito kayo pwede mag-wish, dito kayo pwede mag-manifest, okay? And, aside doon, sa mga ginugusto ninyo, meron siyang surprise ay at least twice per week na mga magandang energies, okay? And syempre, yung ating mga evil eye protection, they're all available. So, yan po, no, ito yung ating necklace, kita nyo naman, yung ating ring, this is adjustable po, by the way. So, so pareho silang unisex, pareho silang unisex, and yes, available rin yung ating pang cleanse, okay? So, yung white sage and yung ating crystal for recharging our mga charms. Okay, so kahit hindi galing sa akin yung charm ninyo, kailangan nyo silang i-recharge kasi may energy po yan. No, I don't know kung sinabi sa inyo na inyong mga pinagbilhan, mga pinagpurchasean. So, yes. Okay, and syempre, yung ating dalawa na bago-bago. So, ito yung ating attracting spray. Okay, so siya okay, ito pala ito na yung last. So, talagang sold out na itong isang scent natin. So, isang scent na lang yung aming nakalabas ngayon, yung Chase Me. Okay, so Chase Me naman is unisex. So, wala namang problem doon. And, ano pa ba? Yeah, good for money, good for love. So, ito maganda to pagdating sa kaperahan. Kung kayo is may mga kausap, may mga katransak, yan, spray nyo bago kayo magharap ng kung sino man, yung inyong mga katransak. And, set your intention, okay, sa gusto ninyong mangyari. Okay, so ang ganda nito. This is hypoallergenic, by the way, para, yes, even yung skin nyo is sensitive, pwede sa inyo, like me. Okay, sensitive yung skin ko, pero ginagamit ko. Diba? Rinig nyo? Oh no, ang bango. Oh no. And syempre, yung ating healing oil. So yung healing oil natin po is 30 ml, white tea and ginger po yung scent po niya, no? And yeah, saan po ba ito ginagamit? Sa masasakit na katawan, no? Sa mga nahihilo, sa mga mahirap makatulog. Okay, so yun po, no? So yan, okay. So again, kung may mga tanong, just message me. So, titingnan natin collectives. Ano ba ang papasok bago mag-end? Ano pa ang papasok bago mag-end ang January? Okay? So, collectives, isang requirement ko para maging collectives kita is dapat naka-subscribe, dapat naka-follow ikaw, no? So, if ever naka-follow ka na, so may chance na ngayong reading is pwede nang makasama ikaw sa ating babasahan. So, sa mga kaka-follow lang and kaka-subscribe lang, so, sa next reading natin about collectives ko kayo may sasali. Okay, so let's see what's for you. Kuha tayong tatlo. Okay. The rest of January for our collectives. Okay. So, unahin natin general. Okay, unahin natin general. Okay. Main, female. Despair. And expectations. Expectation. So, I'm hearing endings, changes, pagdating sa situation ninyo in general po. No, okay? So, sa kaperahan, all in all, oo. So, let's see. Main female, what's with this? So, it's the main female or the main male. Yan. Number 2, 32 and 28 could be significant pagdating sa'yo. Okay, main female or main male. Okay. So, ikaw itong talagang sabihin nating makakakuha ng maraming attraction, maraming attention, maraming makaka-appreciate. It's like you're in the spotlight. Okay, mga collectives. Pero yes, laging lang meron ditong sisira. Okay? Which is somebody na pwedeng jealous, envious, mga ganyang bagay. Ha? So, could be a fire sign. Yeah, the High Priestess universe. Be careful. Okay, some of them pwedeng magbigay ng kung anumang evil eye sa'yo because yung nakikita ko dito, hindi to para sa lahat. Some of them maalam. Okay, maalam magbigay ng curse. Parang ganyan. Yeah, we have here the devil. See? So, what's with this despair? Despair. Ang nakikita ko rito, ang nakukuha kong energy is meron kayong mga hinihintay talaga, no? Na pwedeng, hanggang ngayong January dapat. Okay? Ace of Cups. So, kung ano man ang hinihintay, could be an offer, opportunity. Some of you, ikaw itong focus muna sa sarili mo, lalo na sa healing. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Wands. See? Okay. Iba po, no? Meron akong nakikita rito na pwedeng may mawawala, maaalis, matatapos bago mag-end ang January. Pero may darating na mas okay. And sabihin nating sabihin nating mas nararapat, no? Pagdating sa energy po ninyo. Okay? Some of you, there could be a person, a specific person na parang magre-regret pagdating sa'yo. I don't know why. I don't know why. So, some of you, pwedeng sinaktan ka eh. Pwedeng sinaktan ka now. Pwedeng na magre-regret or yes, nagre-regret na ngayon pa lang itong taong to. Okay? So, what's with this expectation? In general po somebody na pwedeng nag-cause ng pain sa'yo is makakaramdam or makaka-experience ng sabihin nating despair, no? Bago mag-end ang January. We don't manifest something like that, no? Energy like that. Pero yeah, ayun ang nakukuha natin. Okay, expectation, the 8 of Wands in reverse. Some of you, if you were waiting for a message, specific message, may konting delays. Yes. sabihin natin pwedeng hanggang February, no, may chance na maghihintay ka pa rin about that message, that specific message. Okay, this is expecting, pareho to. Seven of Pentacles and the word expectation. Okay, so there's this something maybe in general na parang hihintayin mo pa rin ng hihintayin, there's no action, there's no movement. Okay, pagdating dyan, tingnan natin ano ba to, tungkol saan itong hinihintay mo na to, aside sa specific message. Okay, anong meron dito, anong meron specific? Two of Wands in reversed. Okay, the Ten of Swords. Okay, somebody or something na pwedeng nag-expect ka ng reply or sabihin nating opportunity. Okay, so in general, opportunity or a message, or specific as a message. And the Ten of Wands is Ten of Wands in reversed. Pwede may maghihintay sa'yo na meron kang i-drop. Meron kang i-surrender. That's channeled. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw itong may kailangang i-surrender and kayo yung hinihintay. I don't know kung ano yun. Nasa sa inyo na yun. Okay, kanya-kanya. Because this is general. Hindi ito private. Hindi personal. Okay, so let's see. What to expect naman pagdating sa love. Okay. Pagdating sa love, ano naman ang kailangang i-expect or pwedeng i-expect ng mga collectives the rest of January? Anong pwedeng i-expect ng mga collectives? I'm hearing Cancerian, Sag, Leo. Pero that's channeled. I don't know kung anong meron doon sa mga zodiac sign na yan. Okay, so anong kailangan mong expect? Okay, the Knight of Wands in reverse. Some of you, this could be a short-term connection. A short-term connection. No label. Some of you. Okay. This is like playing the field. Yeah, this is a Sagittarius, by the way. Itong Knight of Wands in reverse. And the Empress. So this is an energy of a short-term connection. Okay, a lot of sex. A lot of sex. So be careful. You have here the Empress. Okay, if you don't careful, parang kawawa tayo dyan. Meron kang mini-mini lalabas, no? If you're not careful. Okay, the Ace of Wands. So another some of you may chance na may makilala, and this person is, sabihin nating, attractive physically. The Fool, this is new. Some of you, pwedeng ito is makikita mo while you're traveling. Okay, while you are traveling. Some of them, they love to travel. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay, some of you, may chance na pwedeng gumugusto si ex mo na magkaroon kayo ng another chance. Okay, bago mag-end ang January. What else? Okay. What to expect pagdating sa taong iniisip mo ngayon? Anong kailangan mong i-expect sa kanya? Anong kailangan mong i-expect sa taong iniisip mo ngayon? The Nine of Cups. Ooh. That's nice, pero let's clarify. The Nine of Cups. Okay, they will give you the peace of mind you need. Okay, in general. Peace of mind. Okay? So, could be something na pwedeng magbibigay or maglelesen ng stress sa'yo. Yes. Okay? So, may mga malalaman, may mga sasabihin. Could be closure, could be clarity, answers, mga ganyang bagay bago mag-end ang January. Okay? So, there. So, yun lamang ang aking reading for you. Okay, the rest of January. So, sumilip lang tayong kaunti. Pero gagawa pa rin naman tayo ng ibang reading. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking reading again for you, collective. So, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And isa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.